If sandwiches are your thing, this one's a beauty. Juicy steak, sautéed veg, melted cheese, mustard and hot sauce. Cook the lean sirloin steak over a high heat and sprinkle with a little steak seasoning. Cook for about 2.5 to 3 minutes on each side for medium rare, then transfer to a warm plate and cover. This will allow the meat to relax and make it tender to eat. While the steaks are resting, stir-fry onion, green pepper and mushrooms for a few minutes until done to your liking. Spread a 60-gram wholemeal roll with a teaspoon of yellow American mustard and fill with the thinly sliced steak, veggies and a slice of light cheese. Drizzle over the chili sauce and dive in.